Fix Cyberpunk 2077 input lag on Windows. 1. Change the in-game settings. 1.1. For controller users, go to Advanced Controls Options, change response curve to raw, and set horizontal turning bonus and vertical turning bonus to 0. Path, Settings Controls First-Person Camera, Controller, Show Advanced Options. 1.2. For mouse/keyboard users, 1.2.1 in the Video tab, turn off the VSync. 1.2.2 Ensure the resolution matches the resolution of your monitor. Plan B, lower your graphic resolution by setting the static fidelity FX to on. Path, graphics resolution scaling. 1.2.3 Disable all the aim assist options. 2. Uncheck the enhanced pointer precision in your mouse setting. 3. Update the device driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide.